everyone, Leanna here from Moments of Adventure. We are continuing our series on Las Vegas bars and speakeasies, and this time it's not really a speakeasy, it's a bar lounge, beautiful, in the Circa. We went to the Legacy room.
The Legacy room. One elevator up, the hostess is on the bottom, and you get on its own elevator and go 60 floors up. Beautiful views, especially at night. You get off the elevator and you're in the Legacy room.
You're in the Legacy room. They have some statues of...
Legacies of Las Vegas.
Yeah, the legacies of Las Vegas, I guess.
Famous Las Vegas lit.
And then just a really nice vibe.
Oh, very relaxed. Beautiful views, great drinks, great service. The waitress was very attentive to us. It was a fun time.
So the Legacy room is definitely one I think you should check out. It's almost like the opposite of the Skyfall. We have a video I'll put in the description below from the Skyfall lounge that's in the Delano on the south side of the Strip. So the Delano or the Skyfall lounge would get one side of the Strip, and honestly Circa kind of gets it from the other end. It's really pretty.
Yeah, it was a good place. Just a good place to hang out, drink some drinks, and relax after a fun day of gambling.
Thanks everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give us a thumbs up and like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any ideas for great Vegas lounges or speakeasies, put them in the comments below so we can check them out next time.
All right, we'll see you on YouTube.
Bye.